With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us try to solve the given problem. So the given problem simply states a circus wishes to develop a new clown act, right? And we have been shown this setup here for the new clown act. Now a clown will be shot out of the cannon with the velocity v0. So you can see a cannon here, the clown will be shot out with the velocity v0 at the trajectory that makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground, right? So here we have been given the angle made by the clown with the ground. At this angle the clown will travel a maximum horizontal distance. The cannon will accelerate the clown by applying a constant force of 10,000 Newton over a very short time of 0.24 seconds. So to project the clown, the cannon will have to apply this force for a very short duration. The height above the ground at which the clown begins his trajectory is 10 meter. So you can see that this height above the ground, that is the height of this cannon, is simply 10 meter. Now it is given a large hop is to be suspended from the ceiling by a massless cable. So you can see this is a hop. It is suspended by simply a massless cable at just the right place so that the clown will be able to dive through it when he reaches the maximum height above the ground. Now after passing through the hoop, he will then continue on his trajectory until arriving at the safety net. So you can see that this is a safety net here. Now the figure 2 shows the graph of the vertical component of clown's velocity as the function of time between the cannon and the hoop, right? So this is the second graph. It shows the vertical component of clown's velocity with time, right? So you can see that if you project a clown with the velocity v0, it will have two components. One in this direction, this will be simply v0 cos 45 degree, and the other will be simply in perpendicular direction. This will be v0 sin 45 degree. Now one can very clearly see that as this will move from cannon to hoop, what will happen is that the vertical component of the velocity will simply decrease to 0, right? Here it will have some value v0 sin 45 degree, and at this point the vertical component of the velocity will be simply 0 because the clown just passes. It will only have the horizontal velocity here. And how much will be the horizontal velocity here? Simply v0 cos 45 degree. Now let us try to read the question. If the angle that the cannon makes with the horizontal is increased from 45 degree, the hoop will have to be. Now they are saying that if this cannon is simply makes more angle, that is the clown is projected at an angle greater than 45 degree, right? This angle will be simply greater than 45 degree. Then what we will have to do with the hoop? So you can see here in this case what will happen is that we know that the range is maximum when theta equals to 45 degree for any velocity of projection, that is irrespective of velocity of projection. If you project a projectile at an angle of 45 degree, it travels a maximum range. Now if you increase or decrease the angle, the range simply decreases, right? So at this velocity the particle will simply move in a projectile motion like this. Its range will decrease. You can see that its range will decrease and its maximum height will simply increase. So now they are saying that what we will have to do, right? We will have to move the hop. For hoop we have to find what we will have to do of this hoop. Now if you do not remove this hoop from here, what will happen is that the clown will not be able to pass from the hoop. So what you have to do, you have to first move this hoop in this direction, in the left direction, and you will also have to raise it. Why? Because the height, maximum height has been raised. So you have to place the hoop like this so that the clown can just pass from it. So let us try to match the options from here. The hoop will have to be moved farther away from the cannon. No, this is wrong. You have to move the hoop towards the cannon, right? Moves farther away from the cannon and raise. So this statement is also incorrect. This statement is also incorrect. Move closer to the cannon and lowered. So you can see that the hoop has to be moved closer to the cannon because the range will decrease and the maximum height is simply at r by 2, right? So this has to be moved closer. So this option is also wrong. Move closer to the cannon and raise. This is the correct option, that you have to move the hoop closer to the cannon and you have to raise it, right? Then the clown will be simply able to pass from the hoop. So I hope you have understood the entire explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.